Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am going to be participating in another one of Secondhand Tracey Ann's challenges. Tracey's channel will be linked below in the description box, as will a playlist when it's available. So I hope you'll be sure to check out both of them. This challenge is called Cloche Encounters. And if you aren't familiar with cloches, cloches are a jar that is upside down and is used to protect decor items or other things from dust and debris, that sort of thing. Cloche in French means bell, and so they're sometimes called bell jars for that reason. But I do not really have any cloches. I am cloche challenged. The only cloche I have actually holds the cake topper from my wedding cake, and I don't want to take that out of there. It's very fragile. It was blown glass, and I don't want to have anything happen to it while I'm using the cloche for another purpose. So what I was doing was racking my brains thinking about something that I could use that I already had on hand, and then it came to me, I had seen this done before, is to use a wine glass as the bell jar or cloche. This happens to be a wine glass that my husband and I got when we went on a wine bus tour up in Santa Barbara. And oh, there's a little drop of water because I just washed it. And so I am figuring that this is big enough, if I turn it upside down, it can serve as a cloche. So I hope you'll stay tuned to see what I do with it. The rules for this challenge were that you had to have a cloche of some sort. That's going to be my wine glass. And then you had to have a seasonal decor item that you had inside of the cloche, and then you had to have it on a plate of some sort. So stay tuned and you'll see what I came up with. The first thing I've done is tie this bow on so that the writing on the glass, I don't know if you can see it here, is towards the back. And this is the back of the bow. I've tied onto the stem of the glass. I have the glass upside down. And now you can see I have my funky bow here on the glass. I have some craft stuff in the background. Then I have this little plate, silver plate here, silver dish, and I'm taking some of the leaves that I painted that were the green burlap leaves from the dollar store, and I'm putting them two going horizontally and two going vertically. See if I can turn this the right direction one-handed. Then what I'm going to do is inside I'm going to take this seasonal votive candle that is a very pale copper color. It's not really showing up too well on the camera here, but it's copper, sort of mercury glass looking, has silver tone in it, so I thought it would go nicely with the dish. I'm actually going to stick that in the cloche, and then I will show you what it looks like after I turn it on. So here is how I have my cloche displayed. I decided it might make a cute nightlight for my guest bathroom, and it's very bright in here right now, so it's a little hard to see, but I have the light turned on. This was just a little votive I picked up from Dollar Tree. I think I mentioned that. And there's my silver plate. And then I ended up moving two of the leaves inside the cloche so that they would hide the writing on the glass a little better and make a backdrop for the candle. And then on top of that, I put this funky bow. I actually moved it from my kitchen because I'm going to start decorating my kitchen for the holidays, but I wanted to keep something of Thanksgiving around for a little while longer. So then on top of the stem, I just put one of these little gold and white pumpkins from the Target dollar spot. And I use this big funky bow because the stem on this glass is kind of long, and a regular bow was showing too much of the stem, and it didn't look as much like a cloche. And then I just have my two little birds that I keep in here most of the time, sitting on either side. So that's it. That is my cloche encounter. I hope you liked my unique take on a cloche. Let me know in the comments down below if you think you might try this with some of your wine glasses. If you like my idea, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including seasonal videos like this one. Once again, I'd like to give a big thank you to Tracey for hosting this challenge. Please do be sure to check out her channel and subscribe if you haven't done so, and also check out all the other participants. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye, all.